she laid an egg. And she laid an egg. Yeah, I know a chicken. I know a chicken.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, Alexis, and I thought it'd be fun to see what the pigeon got up to today. Let's see. Today, the pigeon wants a puppy. Do you all have any pets? Let's see. The pigeon wants a puppy. Look how cute. He's writing a list. Because that's all he wants is a puppy. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm fine. Thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? I think we know what he wants by the title. What I've wanted forever. At least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy! He's like me. I love puppies. I think they're really cute. Do you all think puppies are cute? Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. That's good. I promise I'll water it once a month. Do you think that's how you take care of a puppy? What? Oh. Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? We do want him to be happy. It's just not completely how you take care of a puppy. Do you know how to take care of a puppy? You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy or play tennis with it. Oh, goodness. The pigeon and his wanting a puppy. You just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Aw. I think he is a puppy-loving pigeon. Aw. Puppies. I want a puppy. Right here, right now. Oh my, he really wants that puppy. Wolf. What's that? Wolf, wolf. Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Has his dream come true? We're about to see. Wolf. Ag! Oh my! It's huge! The teeth, the hair, the wet nose, the slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? Really, I had no idea. Oh goodness, the pigeon doesn't like the puppy. I've changed my mind. Oh, that's a big puppy for a little pigeon. Oh no, he changed his mind. I want a walrus. And that's the end of our book. Oh, and now there's a box that says he wants a walrus. Have you all been playing with any pets while we haven't had school? If so, just discuss it with your parents about how much you love your pets and stuff. And I hope you enjoyed The Pigeon Wants a Puppy.
Oh, I know a chicken. I know a chicken. And she laid an egg.